Hi, welcome back. In this video and in the next couple of videos, we will be discussing about the tables in HTML. Okay, so if I just go to the documentation on MDN, I have opened that, the table element in HTML. Okay, the table HTML element represents tabular data, that is, information presented in a two-dimensional table comprised of rows and columns of cells containing data. Okay, and here, as you can see, there are a bunch of things which we will learn in the upcoming videos, and there is one of the good examples of a table in HTML. Also, to make it totally clear, this table, the example of this particular table, has some CSS involved as well. That is why it is looking something like this. So if I just go to this CSS tab and select all and just comment out everything, right now, as you can see, this is the normal HTML table, which we will create in our course as well. Okay. All right. So this is the HTML table. As you can see, we are having the table element. Inside of the table element, we are having the caption, thead, tr, th, and so on and so forth. We will learn all about that in this and the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is the example of a HTML table. Okay, all right, so there are some of the attributes as well, and so on and so forth. We are having some of the other attributes, which is bg color, border, and so on. Okay, all right, so there are some of the things there, and there are other things as well, accessibility as well. So okay, all right, so now I want to point out something here. So previously, when we didn't have flexbox and grid inside of the CSS, it was very hard to create some sort of a layout, something like this. So in that case, what we did, we used to use the table element for that, and this is not recommended anymore. Whenever you are having the tabular data, only then you want to use the table. You should not use the table element to structure your document. Okay, like, so right now we are having the CSS flexbox and CSS grid to structure the web page as we like, right? So that abstraction which we had previously is totally gone now. So now whenever we are having some sort of a tabular data, we want to use the table HTML element. Okay, all right, so this is the introduction to the table HTML element.